Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the search now. Open Discord on desktop or the web so you have full search features. Type has, link into the search bar to surface messages that include URLs. Once done, refine with from, username to narrow to one person or int channel to limit scope. Make sure to include quotes around multi-word channel or username. This immediate filtering skips scrolling and brings relevant messages so you can inspect attachments, invites, or plain links quickly. Once you have initial results, combine filters to cut noise, add before, after, or during, dates to target a time frame. Make sure to open each matched message and expand any embeds or image previews. Links can hide in attachments or embed cards. Check the channel's pinned messages and use Ctrl/CMD+F to scan long threads quickly. If you still see shortened URLs, copy them and paste into a safe preview tool or a new browser tab. To finalize, right-click the timestamp to copy the message link or select and copy the raw text to extract the exact URL. If you're dealing with server invites, server admins should inspect audit logs for created invites and expiration details. Make sure you have permission to view message history. If links appear missing, confirm you aren't blocked, the message wasn't deleted, and developer mode is set if you need user ID. One tip, refresh and rerun has, link if results look incomplete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.